Hey kids, welcome to episode 4 of Stuff Dad Makes. We are going to be doing buffalo chicken wings. So your ingredients are wings, fresh from the store. Don't pay $5.49 a pound. What the deuce. Frank's Red Hot, about quarter stick of butter, garlic, salt and pepper, and then you're gonna need to pan your dish. So first thing we're gonna do is start cutting up the wings if we can get into the package. Why is everything childproof? All right, so we make 2 chops. This one's generally pretty easy. Just come down alongside here and through that knuckle. And taking that part off, throw it away. Come down here into that intersection. Pull up like this. And there's your drum knuckle. You come right down like this. Ta-da! Wings. Okay, you got your wings separated and cut. Your hands are frozen and then washed. You're gonna hit this liberally with Frank's Red Hot. All up in there, like so. Then garlic. Salt, pepper, and mix them up. Now if you're professional, you can just shake this bowl and have them fly all over the place, all over your kitchen counter and all over everything. I'm not some called Stuff Professional Chef Makes guy. This is Stuff Dad Makes. So, all right, nice coating on all your wing parts. Set that there to make a nice mess. Dump them in the pan. I had the Pam out like I was gonna Pam that pan, but I'm not going to. So, just deal with that. So you preheated your oven to 350, and with a glass dish, you don't want to go 425 or above. Recently had one explode, so that's just good information to have. So I'm gonna throw these in the oven for a half an hour, and then we'll show you step 2. We've hit the 30-minute mark with our wings, so that's the halfway point. Pull them out. As you can see, they're starting to get a bit wingy. I took that, just making sure they're not really, sticking to each other and are getting a little bit of an even cook here. Took that quarter cup of butter you saw earlier in the Pyrex. I added about a cup of Frank's Red Hot and nuked it until the butter was melted. So you're gonna wanna nuke, stir, and watch it because it is going to spray butter and things out the top. And then we're gonna hit them with this mixture of butter and red hot. Good. Back in the oven for another half hour. Okay, so second half hour is done. As you can see, there's still bubbling and brewing here. But we have ourselves Dad's buffalo wings. Have some.